Selena, Class 10, Chapter 3, Shares and Dividend. Sum number 8. A man buys 420 rupees share at a premium of rupee 4 each and receives a dividend of 12%. Find first the amount invested by him, second his total income from the share, third percentage return on his money. Nominal value of one share rupees 20. Premium of 4%, so 20 plus 4, 24. Market value of one share 24 rupees. Numbers of share purchased 400. Therefore, nominal value of 400 share is equals to 400 into 20, rupees 800. Market value of 400 shares, 400 into 24, 9600. Dividend percent is 12%. Therefore, dividend is 12% of nominal value, that is 8000 rupees. That is equals to 12 upon 100 into 8000, equal to rupees 960. Percentage return is equals to income upon investment into 100. Income is, that is dividend, 960. Market value of the share investment 9600 into 100 equals to 10%. So return percent equals to 10%. 3b, sum number 9. A man buys 420 rupees share at a discount of 20% and receives a return of 12% on his money. Calculate first the amount invested by him, second the rate of dividend paid by the company. Nominal value of one share rupees 20. Market value of one share, discount of 20%, means 20% of 20, that is 20 upon 100 into 20, that is 4. Market value of one share, 20 minus 4, rupees 16. Numbers of share purchased 400. Nominal value of 400 share, 400 into 20, that is rupees 8000. Market value of 400 share, 400 into 16, that is rupees 6400. Return percent is equals to 12%. Income is equals to 12% of 6400 investment, that is equals to 12 upon 100 into 6400 is equals to rupees 768. Dividend percentage is equals to income upon nominal value into 100, that is equals to 768 upon 8000 into 100, equal to 9.6%. Dividend percent is equals to 9.6%. Sum number 10. A company with 10,000 shares of rupees 100 each declares an annual dividend of 5%. First, what is the total amount of dividend paid by the company? Second, what should be the annual income of a man who has 72 shares of the company? Third, if he receives only 4% of his investment, find the price he paid for each share. Nominal value of one share is rupees 100. Nominal value of 10,000 shares will be 10,000 into 100, that is equals to rupees 10 lakh. Dividend percent 5%. Dividend is equals to 5% of 10 lakh, that is equals to 5 upon 100 into 10 lakhs, that is equals to rupees 50,000. Nominal value of 72 shares is equals to 72 into 100, that is equals to rupees 7,200. Dividend is equals to 5% of nominal value, 5% of 7,200, that is equals to 5 upon 100 into 7,200, that is equals to rupees 360. Dividend is equals to rupees 360. Let market value of one share is rupees Y. Then market value of 10,000 share is rupees 10,000 Y. Return percent 4%. 4% of 10,000 Y is rupees 50,000. Total dividend. Therefore, 4 upon 100 into 10,000 Y equals to 50,000. Therefore, Y is equals to 50,000 upon 4 into 100 equal to 125. Y is equals to rupees 125. Market value of one share is rupees 125. Sum number 11. A lady holds 1,800 rupee 100 shares of a company that he pays 15% dividend annually. Calculate her annual dividend. If she had bought these shares at 40% premium, what is the return she gets as percent on her investment? Nominal value of one share rupees 100. Market value 40% premium. So plus 40% of rupees 100. That is rupees 40. 100 plus 40 is 140. Market value of one share is 140 rupees. Numbers of shares purchased 800. Number of share purchased is 1800. Nominal value of 1800 share is 1800 into 100. That is equals to rupees 1000, 1,80,000. Market value of 1800 share is equals to 1800 into 140. That is equals to rupees 2,52,000. Dividend percent 15% dividend. 15% of nominal value. 15 upon 100 into 1,80,000. That is equals to rupees 27,000. Return percentage equal to income upon investment into 100. Income 27,000. Investment 2,52,000 into 100. That is 10.7%. Approximately 11% return. Sum number 12. A man invests rupees 11,200 in a company paying 6% per annum when its rupee 100 shares can be bought for rupee 140. Find first his annual dividend, second his percentage return on his investment. Nominal value of one share rupees 100. Market value of one share 140. Total investment rupees 11,200. Numbers of share purchased. Total investment, that is 1,200 upon market value, that is 140, equal to 80 shares. Nominal value of 80 shares 80 into 100, that is equals to rupees 8,000. Dividend percent equal to 6%. Dividend is equals to 6% of 8,000, that is equals to 6 upon 100 into 8,000, equal to rupees 480. Return percent income upon investment into 100. Income 480, investment 11,200 into 100 is equals to 4.29%. Sum number 13. Mr. Sharma has 60 shares of NV rupee 100 and sells them when they are at premium of 60%. He invests the proceeds in a share of nominal value rupee 50, quoted at 4% discount and paying 18% dividend annually. Calculate first the sale proceed, second the numbers of shares he buy, and his annual dividend from the shares. First case, nominal value of one share rupees 100. Nominal value of 60 shares 100 into 60, that is 6,000. Market value 60% premium, so 60% of 100 is rupees 60. 100 plus 60 is 160. Market value of one share is rupees 160. Market value of 60 share is equals to 160 into 60, that is rupees 9,600. Second case, nominal value of one share is rupees 50. Market value 4% discount. So 4% of 50 is 4 upon 100 into 50, that is rupees 2. 50 minus 2 is 48. Market value of one share is 48. Numbers of share purchased is, what was the market value of that 60 shares? 9,600. So 9,600 upon 48, that is equals to 200. Nominal value of 200 shares, 50 into 200 is rupees 10,000. Dividend percent 18. 18% of 10,000, that is 18 upon 100 into 10,000, that is equals to rupees 1,800.